Hello kids, let's learn some colors. Indigo, yellow, light blue, pink, light pink, green, white. These are the colors. Today we are going to learn 3-letter word. Okay kids? 3-letter word. M-A-T, mat. D-O-G, dog. T-O-P, top. F-A-N, fan. S-O-N, sun. C-A-T, cat. M-A-N, man. B-A-G, bag. V-A-N, van. B-O-A-T, bat. H-E-N, hen. P-O-T, pot. P-E-N, pen. H-O-T, hot. B-O-Y, boy. C-A-R, car. P-A-N, pan. C-A-N, can. B-A-D, bad. D-E-N, den. P-O-P, pop. J-O-Y, joy. B-E-D, bed. T-A-B, tap. B-O-X, box. Kids, this is 3-letter word. Mat, cat, man, bag, van. Dog, bat, hen, pot, pen. Top, hot, boy, car, pan. Fan, can, bad, den, pop. Sun, joy, bed, tap, box. Bye. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.